Hello dear creatives, welcome to another interesting tutorial on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to make Asoebi Handfan from scratch. So this is what I'm going to be teaching you how to make, and I'm going to teach you how to make them from scratch to finish. Please, if this is your first time of stopping by on this channel, endeavor to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Then like this video and comment on this video. These are the materials I'm going to be needing to make the hand fan. Firstly, I'm going to be needing hand fan base. I have a detailed tutorial on how to make hand fan base from scratch. I'm going to link the video up there, so you go ahead and watch the video. I'm also going to be needing feathers. I'm using 1 yard of feathers. That is like half pack of feathers for one hand fan. Then I'm also going to be needing scissors, trimmings. You can use different types of trimmings. Then I'll be needing UHU gum. You can as well use B6000 gum or E7000 gum. Then in addition to the gum, I'll be needing hot glue gun, or you can use candle wax and lighter. So these are the different types of trimmings I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you how to cover the hand fan base neatly before we start making the hand fan. So I'm going to be needing my gum. Please do not use hot glue gum at this point. You are going to end up having a rough work. So I'm going to use my E6000 gum or UHU gum. Firstly, you apply the gum generously, and after applying the gum, you are going to place the satin fabric on the base to cover it up. I will use my hands to smoothen that neatly, and I'll get my scissors. Can you see? Please endeavor to smoothen that neatly. Then I'll get my scissors to trim off the excess fabric. Meanwhile, I'm going to leave about half an inch fabric on the edges. Then I'm going to be folding. Please watch closely so you can understand this part. After cutting out the excess fabric, I'm going to apply hot glue gun on this part to fold in the excess fabric. To cover the other side of the hand fan base, we are going to be repeating everything that was done to the other side. So I'll go ahead and apply my gum generously, after which I'm going to place the satin fabric on the hand fan base and cover it up neatly. I'm also going to trim off the excess fabric, but I will leave half an inch fabric that I will use to fold in. Now I'll get my hot glue gun, and I'm going to apply my hot glue gun to fold in the excess half an inch fabric. Now I'm going to be wrapping the handle of the hand fan with this particular trimmings. So this is how I'm going to go about it. Firstly, I'm going to apply the hot glue gun, and I'm going to cover this tip up with it first. Can you see? Then I'll cut out the excess. Then after, I will apply the hot glue gun again to enable me wrap this neatly. I'm going to apply the gum on this part again. Then I'll cut out the excess trimmings after covering that part. And this is it. So the hand fan base is ready. Now I will proceed to the making of the hand fan. I'm going to get a round shape object and I will get my pen as well to rule a round shape on the base of the hand fan. So this will serve as a guide when I want to place the feathers on the base. Can you see? Next, I'm going to get the feathers. I'm working with 1 yard of feathers for one hand fan. This is Asoebi hand fan. So I'm going to divide it into 2. So in other words, I'm going to be having 18 inches for the front and another 18 inches for the back of the hand fan. So I'm going to place the hand fan. I will apply my hot glue gun. So this, at this point, you can use your hot glue gun. As you can see, this is the part where where I have my barrel mark on is the part where I'm applying the gum, and that is the part where I'm gumming the feathers. So please watch closely so you can understand this part. So to get the best results, you are going to be pleating it just as you see me do in the video. Please watch closely. Can you see? Just pleat it with your hands just like that. Can you see? And this is it. So lastly, I will apply gum on this part and cover it up neatly. Can you see? So this part that is coming up, I'm going to get my scissors to notch it. Can you see that? Now I will flip over to the other side of the hand fan and I'm going to be covering it up with the feathers as well. After covering with the feathers, I'm going to be covering the handle. I'm going to be wrapping the handle with this particular trimmings I'm holding. I was supposed to do this before I cover it up with the feathers. Okay, so if you want it to be easy for you, cover the handle first with the trimmings you want to use, with any type of trimmings you want to use before you go ahead and attach the feathers. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to further embellish this hand fan with this particular trimmings I'm holding. So this is how I'm going to go about it. I will get my gum. I will apply my gum on the part I want to place it, and then I'm going to place it on that part neatly. So this is it. Please endeavor to cover the other side of the hand fan with the trimmings as well. I'm going to do that off camera. The last thing I'm going to do is to attach the alphabet I'm going to be using to write name on the hand fan. To get the best result and a neat finishing, you are going to arrange the alphabet on the hand fan first before you go ahead and apply your gum. You can either use your E-Sisters gum or your UH gum, but the best gum to use for this to attach the name on the hand fan is E-Sisters gum or B7000 gum, and that is the gum I'm going to be using. So you are going to decide where you want to place each letter before you go ahead and start applying the gum. So after arranging the letters, I will take them one after the other. I will apply my gum and place it on the particular position I want it to be. If you are getting value from this video, please endeavor to give this video a thumbs up and also comment on this video. If you would be interested in learning more on different types of hand fan, we have detailed online classes for interested participants. To participate in the training, send a WhatsApp message to the number on the phone screen or click on the link in the description box to join our Telegram training group.